1987 Dodge D150. This particular truck has the LE trim package as well. I'd call it a walnut, maybe gold dust combination. Beautiful color. Front end of this shows really nice. Again, part of that LE trim package, you see the polish, the bevels even on the lights. And that grille, car shines up nice. Again, if there's anything you see, you have questions about, or you'd like to talk to somebody about this truck, always feel free to give our sales associates a call at 507-386-1726. You can visit us online as well. You'll see still photos there. Jason will take it out for a drive. That's at uniqueclassiccars.com. 318 two-barrel automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes. Our techs did note that the brakes are 100% up front, but about 30% in the rear. This truck, again, in the same family, one owner since it was purchased new in 1987. And the gentleman that owned this truck took very, very good care of it. As I mentioned, the tires dated 2015, but you can see they are in incredibly good condition. Again, you can see still photos of up underneath the truck as they get it up on a rack online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, any questions? 507-386-1726. This truck did come with a topper. Give you a quick look at that. Bug deflector as well. The LE trim package, by the way, includes some wood grain accents, power windows, locks, cruise control, AC was standard in there as well. We'll get to that in a sec as we climb on the inside, but just wanted to really give you a great look at how well this truck has been maintained. Really nice. Again, any questions, 507-386-1726. Let's get inside, give you a quick look. You can see all part of that LE trim package. That simulated wood grain, cruise control, power locks, power windows, the carpeting, and even these seats. The idea was to give the driver more of a luxury ride, almost simulating that of a car, but in a pickup truck. There's some documentation in the glove box, including, I'll show you something cool. When the vehicle was delivered new in 1987, it had an inspection. You know, under the hood, took it out for a drive, body, all of it. So there is some documentation in here in the glove box that we will leave with the vehicle. But yeah, really nice. Tell you what, we're gonna pause this video real quick after I give you a look at those original miles, 81,956. And we're gonna take a quick pause here. When we come back, we're gonna start. All right, let's give it a quick start. Wow. Popped right off. Let's listen to that 318. Look at how clean that is. The original. Right? Looks fantastic under there. Like I said, 318 two-barrel car. truck shows incredibly well. It's like a time capsule. So there you have it, a 1987 Dodge D150 with the LE trim package. Any questions? Give our sales associates a call, 507-386-1726. You can visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, stick around as Jason's going to take the truck out for a spin. He's going to bring you along for the ride. One more thing down the line. Beautiful truck. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see this truck and a host of others. I mean, at any given time, if you ever get the chance, pay us a visit. Come on inside. We're about an hour and 20 minutes south of Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport. Any given time, we have a couple of hundred vehicles inside and plenty out as well. So, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in the 1987 Dodge pickup truck. An automatic on the column. This truck is easy to drive. Everything looking nice. The dash looks very fresh. Clear gauges, colorful gauges, no fading, no rubbed off numbers on the stock right here for cruise. We'll see if that cruise works in a little bit. Nice steering response. Horn works too. The oil pressure is showing a little over half of a gauge. The fuel a little less than half. The battery's charging over halfway on the gauge, and the temperature is a little under half on the gauge. It's all looking good. Speedometer working. The wipers work. The AC's blowing cold on this truck. We have a stereo as well. Very nice looking beige interior, bringing you back to 1987 big time. Got some wood grain, of course. Looks like a well cared for truck. Great visibility. You usually see some Fords, you see some Chevys. You don't see as many Dodges. This one's still with the Ram hood ornament. When Ram was still a Dodge, before they became just Ram trucks, separated from Dodge. Power steering working excellently. The brakes also nice and smooth. Find all the pictures of this Dodge pickup truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.